PPA Arquitetura is an architecture and design office founded in 1987 with a team of architects, designers, and partners, constantly updated, focused on providing service with quality and innovation. For this project, the team was composed by a group of architects and urbanists: Paulo Pontes, Alessandra Pedrosa, Cristiane Lima, Julia Menapati, Felipe Gonçalves, and the production of the model Flávio Canuto. The proposed urban block seeks an ideological, formal, symbolic, and functional symbiosis with the existing city. This is not only a continuum of their spaces, but also built with the feelings and memories that lend themselves in their streets, squares, monuments, and walls. The new neighborhood is not created to propose a different way of living, but rather influenced by the experience and memories of the city. Create an urban space and decent housing in the resulting form. The urban block looks at the surroundings and appropriates the rest of the city as much as the city will appropriate it. The new neighborhood to be designed fills empty spaces, recreates and adds new symbolic values to the urban space, and will pay great attention to the connection of the new with the memory that builds the social and historical fabric of the city where it will be built. It will be in this harmonious relationship between the existing and proposed city where there is the greatest challenge in the design of routes and hierarchies of routes and uses, making possible the connection with the pre-existing urban fabric and the effective memory of the Russian city. The urban design will enable the residents to participate in their construction and provide a decent environment and integration. And despite acknowledging the presence of the car, it seeks a shared road construction with a focus on the pedestrian and the cyclist. 2 residential streets are proposed that make the direct connection with the city. The bicycle lane provides a safe transition between local traffic and the shared street that permeate the urban block, where it is possible for the population to build the street as an extension of the house and thereby make the roads and the urban block more secure. In the urban space, there is a clear prevalence of voids over the solid. Those two add value one to the other in the sequence of small triangular squares interconnected by an imperceptible network of shared paths and continuous green areas. From the apparent complexity and multifunctionality of the urban villain to the rigorous implementation of the different typologies. The project privileged green and community spaces that permeate the entire urban block and reach the space constructed as a way of integration in which the buildings are extension of the street as much as the street is a symbiotic extension of the buildings. Entries facing the local streets to offer more security. 2 floors with access to a private leisure area. Entries facing the local streets to offer more security. 2 floors with access to a private leisure area. Entries facing the local streets to offer more security. 2 floors for residents with options with accessibility for disabled and elderly. Share leisure area. 4 floors dynamically connected by a staircase that function as meeting space that reaches the shared and wide winter and summer terraces. All the structure is abundantly illuminated by a glass wall that permeates the entire staircase. Several typologies have been proposed. They are arranged around the common living space, abundantly illuminated with natural light. We understand the walls of each floor as focus and meeting potentials that culminate in the wide terraces.